Hello and welcome to my presentation. The title of my paper is Leak Diagnosis of Pipeline Based on Empirical Mood Decomposition and Support Vector Machine, and it is presented by me, Atif Faisal, College of Engineering, University Malaysia, Pahang. So the abstract is pipeline is used as a medium of transportation in the global gas and oil industries. Pipeline leakage has been a major concern in the industries, so it is necessary to adapt to a system to detect the pipe fault in different locations, which is proposed in this paper. Empirical mood decomposition was applied for feature extraction in this study. The on against on and on against on all SVM are used and different kernels are applied, and RBF kernel function recorded the highest classification accuracy for both OAO and OAA approaches with 97.77% and 96.29% respectively. Introduction. The use of pipeline for fluid transportation has been widely utilized across the globe. The pipelines are susceptible to different types of leakage, so therefore effective leak detection in the pipeline is essential. Leak detection using vibration analysis are most widely reported. A robust time frequency analysis (EMD) is suitable for feature extraction, and SVM is a powerful supervised classifier. EMD was used for feature extraction while SVM was used for classification in this study. So some theory about EMD. EMD uses the shifting process to decompose the signal into several IMFs. The shifting process is repeated until the following two conditions are met. That is, the number of extrema in the whole time series must differ with the zero crossing value at most 1. The mean value of upper and lower envelopes at any given location is 0. By adding the IMFs and the residual dual of the original signal can be obtained as following equation. Next, SVM. SVM uses the hyperplane to maximize the distance between two classes. SVM performs a nonlinear mapping of the input vector. The mapping is determined by the kernel function. Different types of kernels are suitable for different types of classifiers, and the decision function of a trained SVM can be expressed as the following equation. This is our experimental setup. We have 5 different pipe faults in different locations, and there is another on class which is no fault. So an air storage tank with length and diameter of 120 centimeter and 11.43 centimeter was used. An encoder was used to get the sensitivity. The signal were captured at a sampling rate of 25.6 kilohertz. You can see different 6 different fault types, which is on no leak, and 5 different fault locations in the different locations. The classifier modeling: 6,250 data points are taken per sample. 75 samples are obtained, and for all 6 different conditions, the total number of samples is 450. Only the first 5 IMFs are considered. Energy and curtices are used to obtain feature vector. For SVM, the RBF polynomial and sigmoid kernel functions are used. 30% cross-validation is applied. Here is the result obtained from different classifier with different kernels. You can see the RBF kernel obtained the highest accuracy and polynomial the lowest, sigmoid slightly lower than the RBF. This basically summarizes what I just said. Next, moving on. This is the confusion matrix with precision, recall, and F1 score from on against 1 SVM with RBF kernel. You can see here 3 class C1, C2, and C6 obtained the perfect accuracy. So that's why RBF got quite high accuracy. Then this is for Sigmoid kernel for OAO SVM. Here two classes. I think only one class got the perfect accuracy. Then moving on, this is the RBF kernel. Here three classes got perfect accuracy. That's why RBF is quite good. And Sigmoid got only two perfect accuracy. So conclusion is EMD and SVM are successfully developed for early detection of and localization. RBF kernel function recorded the highest classification accuracy in both on against on and on against on all approaches with a percentage of 97.77% and 96.29% respectively. So it is observed that on against on SVM with RBF kernel is the best combination with the EMD. Thank you.